let's be honest, folks. Splitting bills can be a nightmare. You go out for a fun dinner with friends, order a bunch of different things, and then comes the inevitable awkward moment, the check. Someone whips out their phone, calculators come out, bills get waved around, it's a whole chaotic scene. But what if there was a smoother way? What if there was an app that could handle those post-dinner bill splits with ease? Well, that's where Venmo comes in. You might have heard of it, you might even use it yourself. But the question we're really asking today is, who actually accepts Venmo? Because let's face it, there's nothing worse than trying to pay with Venmo at a store and getting that dreaded, sorry, we don't take that here, response. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of Venmo accepting businesses. We'll break down the different types of places you can use Venmo, explore some sneaky workarounds, and even discuss some alternatives if Venmo isn't your cup of tea. Venmo, your digital wallet for everyday transactions. First things first, let's talk about what Venmo actually is. Think of it as a digital wallet, a secure app that lets you send and receive money directly between friends and businesses. It's like having a mini bank account on your phone, perfect for splitting bills, paying rent to a roommate, or even buying that quirky handmade mug from your coworker's Etsy shop. But the key question remains, which businesses accept Venmo? Unfortunately, Venmo isn't quite as universally accepted as, say, a credit card. However, it's becoming increasingly popular, especially among smaller businesses and those that cater to a younger, tech-savvy crowd. Here are some of the places you're most likely to find the friendly pay with Venmo option. Restaurants and cafes. Many independent restaurants and coffee shops are hopping on the Venmo train. It's a quick and easy way for them to receive payments, especially for takeout and delivery orders. Retail stores, while not as common as restaurants, some smaller clothing stores, gift shops, and specialty boutiques might accept Venmo. It never hurts to ask. Salons and barbershops. Need a haircut or a massage? Some salons and barbershops are starting to accept Venmo for their services. Personal service providers. Do you have a regular dog walker or house cleaner? They might be open to receiving payment through Venmo. Sneaky workarounds, when Venmo isn't an option. Let's say you're at a store that doesn't accept Venmo, but you still have that burning desire to avoid the whole cash or credit card dance. Here are a couple of workarounds you can try, but remember, always ask the business first. See if they have a Cash App. Cash App is another popular money transfer service similar to Venmo. If the store doesn't take Venmo directly, they might be open to receiving a payment through Cash App. Transfer to a friend who can pay. This one requires some coordination, but if you're with a friend who has a debit card, you could quickly send them the money on Venmo and have them pay for the purchase. Beyond Venmo, exploring other payment options. While Venmo is a great option for casual transactions, it's not the only game in town. Here are a couple of other money transfer apps to consider. Cash App. As mentioned earlier, Cash App is a strong Venmo competitor with similar features. Zelle. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service offered by many major banks in the U.S. It's a secure and convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. Apple Pay/Google Pay. These contactless payment options allow you to pay with your smartphone at stores equipped with NFC readers. Ultimately, the best payment option depends on your individual needs and preferences. Venmo is a fantastic choice for quick and easy transactions between friends and some businesses. But if you're looking for something more universally accepted, consider a debit card or another money transfer service. So, who accepts Venmo? The answer, as you now know, isn't a simple one. It depends on the type of business, their size, and their tech savviness. But with its growing popularity, you're increasingly likely to see that friendly